Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to review a brand new product for you. It's the brand new Laura Mercier concealers. I'm so excited to try these guys. I love anything that is face products. I love trying out new foundations, new concealers, primers, anything of the sort. I love having a nice brush base, and this goes along with it. So concealing to me is very important because I have very dark under eyes. So if you're excited to see how well the coverage is on these guys and if they last all day, if they are as good as they say they are, then keep on watching. So I got this beautiful package in the mail the other day. It's huge, like enormous. And these are the brand new Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Wear Longwear Concealer. Super long name, but the box is so beautiful. Their PR packaging is just gorgeous. Like, it has this gorgeous girl here. Their claim is here, and underneath this, some beautiful girls that are modeling the concealer. I think I said foundation before, the concealer. So these are all the concealers. I will say that I wish that they did have a wider shade range. I don't think this is enough shades. Hopefully they are going to come out with a few more later on, but regardless, there's not enough dark shades here. I am someone who rallies for brown skin girls, dark skin girls, people of color, and this to me is not okay. Other than that, I am going to try these out because I do love trying concealers so much and they deserve a fair shot. So let's get into it. Let's try and see which one of these is going to be my shade. All right guys, so I already have my foundation on. I'm wearing the NARS Tinted Moisturizer. Not sure of the shade, I'll list it down below. But I have these two concealers. The first one is shade 3W and the second one is 4N. I think 4N will be good for darkness around my face. It is one of the darkest colors that they sent me. So come on guys, this isn't dark enough. But 3W would probably be great for brightening up the under eyes. I'm praying to God that these have really good coverage because I am a coverage queen. If I don't have enough coverage underneath my eyes, I still look like a dead zombie, and I'm not trying to look like I'm part of The Walking Dead. I want to look like I'm a queen, not a zombie. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with 4N to cover up any darkness that I have in the skin. I really like the packaging. It's a nice little plastic tube. On the front it says Laura Mercier. On the back it says Flawless Fusion Ultra Wear Longwear Concealer. And on the bottom it does give you the shade name. And the doe foot applicator, it is pretty much like a standard doe foot applicator. Let me see if it'll focus there. So yeah, you can see there it is pretty much a standard doe foot applicator. The only difference is that it is tilted to the side. So I am just gonna go in around my mouth. Yeah, I think that shade is good for my face. So I'm just gonna cover up around my mouth because I do have some darkness and discoloration there. And I am gonna go on my forehead where I have my discoloration on my forehead. And aside from that, maybe around my nose to cover up any redness. And I will say that the texture of this is really nice. It's not too thick, it's not too watery. It's pretty much the perfect consistency. I'm really liking how it just laid down. So I am gonna go in with a beauty blender. Mine's very dirty, don't judge me, okay? So I am gonna go in and just pat that around my mouth. That has really good coverage, guys. The color is perfect for my skin tone. I mean, that pretty much covered the darkness around my mouth, so I am very excited about that. Let's see if it does the true test of covering up the darkness on my forehead. Wow. Okay, hold on guys. I'm just a bit shook. In camera or on the monitor, what I'm seeing is that it pretty much covered up my dark vein on my forehead, and nothing covers that up. Like, I have to really go in and color correct and do everything possible to actually cover it. But this concealer actually did a really good job covering it. And looking in a little mirror right now, sorry, I'm just gonna finish up my nose. I forgot I had it there until I looked in the mirror. So before I interrupted myself, I'm looking in the mirror and it looks like it's a very, very, very pretty consistency. I love the finish of it. It's radiant. I don't think it's matte by any means. It's a beautiful, radiant finish. I'm liking it so far, guys. I really am liking it so far. And there aren't many concealers that I live and die by. My favorites right now are obviously the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm really liking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I think that's what it's called. That one is a pretty good dupe for the Shape Tape. And I've always loved the Sephora concealer. I can't remember the full name of it, but it is a gel consistency concealer. And I kind of think I'm adding this one to the list, if I'm being really, really honest. I'm liking it a lot. Let's see how it sits under the eyes though, because that is where the true test is. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the shade 3W. I'm assuming the W stands for warm and the N in 4N stands for neutral. So I'm just gonna apply that directly under my eyes, the same way I do with any other concealer. I think I am gonna mix in a little bit of that 4N just to give it a little bit more of my skin tone color, because this one is maybe a little too bright, I'm not sure. But I do like that it has a really nice yellow undertone to it, because I have yellow undertones to my skin, yellowy olive undertone. So this color is really, really nice for it. So once again, I am just going in with my Beauty Blender underneath the eyes. That's my favorite tool to use for underneath the eyes. There's no pulling, no tugging, aka no wrinkles, no Botox anytime soon. So I'm just going in with that sponge. Wow, okay, guys, this is going in my favorites. My favorites, oh my God, this is so beautiful underneath the eyes. It's like, it looks like airbrush, like it's gorgeous. And it's actually not creasing the amount that I thought it would crease. I am gonna set my under eyes no matter what, just because that's what I do with all my concealers, because I have very creasy under eyes. But wow, guys, like, look how flawless that covered up. It's gorgeous. I'm actually in love with that, wow. And I do think that they have a foundation that matches this, so now I really have to try that foundation. If they don't have the foundation and I'm just dreaming, Laura Mercier, come out with the foundation of this, because wow, I'm like about to put this all over my face because it's so pretty. Sorry guys, my camera cut off while I was applying my setting powder. I am just using the Laura Mercier setting powder underneath my eyes. I'm assuming that since it's Laura Mercier and Laura Mercier, it'll go along really well. And it looks flawless still. I don't know how many times I have to say this. I'm really loving this product right now. I'm praying to the concealer gods that it stays on my face all day, because if it doesn't and it breaks up, I'm gonna be heartbroken. So heartbroken. So after dusting off all that powder, I am just gonna finish the rest of my makeup, and I will come back to give you my final thoughts on the product. All right guys, I'm back. I finished applying the rest of my makeup. If you wanna see that full video, please check my Instagram. My Instagram is @HighOnLifestyle with 2 E's at the end. You will find a full 60-second video of the whole makeup look, but this is a review solely on the Laura Mercier concealer. So what are my thoughts on it? I love it. Fully love it. It is going in my favorites drawer. I will be continuing to wear this. I've been wearing this makeup look for about 3 hours now, and nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. My under eyes are still flawless looking. They look airbrushed, to be honest with you. And there is no creasing at all, no discoloration, nothing, no fading. Everything looks so beautiful. So I will leave below a little description in the box below how I thought this performed throughout the rest of the day. But for right now, I'm giving it a 2 thumbs up. I'm loving it so much. I just hope and pray, Laura Mercier, come out with better colors, more color ranges, please. There are a bunch of people who are being excluded with these concealers, and I pray that you bring out a full range of it for our really dark girls and our really light girls, because I didn't even see a concealer in here that was light enough or dark enough. So please come out with those concealers, Laura Mercier. I want you guys to try these concealers out. They are beautiful. I'm obsessed with them, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.